Hello, guys. Today we're going on a nature walk, kind of. The dogs found something. They're barking a little, but whatever. It's what they do. Anyhow, I've got like woods and woods and woods and woodsiness around me. Gonna go explore. One of the best things that you can do. Get outside. Oh boy, are you having fun? Wow. And this is why I love to bring you here. Because you run non-stop. So we all win. We're all winning. Look at this. I just want to say, this is like where you would start your own natural lean to here. You got a bunch of trees that have tilted over, they've grown into the other trees. You just start building from there. You got your main area. That's a nice, good one. Supported well. Yeah, work it out. Anyhow, doesn't matter. Just a little tidbit there. I want. Wow. I thought you went the other way, and I circled around and come up behind me. Hey, Nadie? She's fast. Let's see what kind of tracks we can find. There's some bunny ones and some squirrel ones, but they're not fresh. I want some fresh ones so we can see their toes in the snow. And the dogs think they found something again. Ah, they'll sleep good tonight. Oh, I can't do anything. I knelt down. Stop it. Oh, to get pictures and video of a little mousy trail, and everybody has to come see what I'm doing and stand in it. Anyhow, it starts from this hole here. There's a couple little bouncies here. And then the dog mess and into there. Ruined it all, you guys. Anyhow. Now, what maybe was this here? Something chewed this. You walked around it so much I can't tell. I would assume it's a rabbit, but it's pretty tall. Well, it's not too tall of a reach for a rabbit if it's a big jack. But I don't see no footprints because of you. Interesting. Oh, it's broken off on the tip. Maybe something pushed it over, broke it down, chewed the buds. Probably a deer then. Oh, this is a birch seed that fluttered down off one of those birchy trees. It looks like a masquerade mask or the feathers on the face of an owl. Hmm. Peppy, what you got? Here, I think she's caught something, but now I actually think she's got a big piece of poop. Hey, you got some moosey poop? Is that what you got? Yeah. You guys are gross. Ah.